Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and continue with our second lesson for Monday, and I'm going to give you your math lesson for today. So make sure that you have page 237 and 238 out, ready to go. And it is a review again, just like when we usually put up our thinking folders for it like a test. So I'm just going to review a few things with you, and then we're going to go ahead and do it together, and I'll explain the paper with you, okay? So I wanted just to review with you. Hopefully you guys remember how much a penny is worth. And if you remember, a penny is worth 1 cent. And we say cent when we talk about money, right? So 1 cent. So on the top of your paper, it's asking you to see how many pennies Cheddar has. So Cheddar has, to start off with, 6 pennies, and we're going to minus 5 of them. So we're going to cross off 5 of them. You're going to cross off the entire penny, but I'm going to use them again, so you can cross off 5. So 6 pennies minus 5 is how many is left over? 1. So I'm going to write my answer 1 there, right? All right, go ahead and do the bottom one, the second one, where there's 5 pennies, and we're going to subtract 2 of them. So let's see if we have 5 pennies, and we take away 2 of them. Let's do this together. Mrs. Luna needs to get an eraser. So we have 5, and we cross off 2 of them. How many are left? There's 3 left. So write your answer 3. And make sure when it's asking you how many is left at the bottom that you make sure that you write 3 at the bottom there as well. All right, when you've done that, go ahead and we're going to count by tens. You can go back and check your paper and finish if you haven't quite finished the minus. But go to the bottom there, we're going to count by tens, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I'm sure you remember how to count by tens. We've been doing that for a while. So count the number of sticks in each one of those bundles and circle the right answer. Go ahead and do that now. All right, go to the back of your paper, page 238 at the top there. Go ahead and count by tens again. And remember, when we look at those books, we don't have to count each book. We can count by tens. So count with me. Put your finger at the top there. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There's 27 books in that pile. Go ahead and make your 27. Remember, 2 and a 7. 27. And then in the middle there, it's asking you to circle the pile that has more. Look at those pile there. Which has more cookies there? Maybe they're rocks. Please circle the pile that is more and underline the pile that is least. Go ahead and do that now. All right, and then go to the bottom there. And I want you to write the number of people that are inside of the boat and write the number of people that are outside of the boat. So because it's a review, I'm not going to help you or give you the answer for that, but go ahead and look at your paper and complete that part. And when you're done, go ahead and put your paper in your folder. Make sure your name's at the top. Check over your work, make sure you haven't skipped anything, and I will look forward to correcting your paper soon. There's your math lesson for today. Have a great day. Bye.